How to fix Netflix household problem. Hey beauty people, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Netflix household problem. So first go to settings. After that scroll down and go to apps. Now go to search and then search for Netflix. Click on that. Scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Back. Click on force stop. OK. And then after that click on back. Now go to Play Store and update Netflix. After that restart your phone. And that's how you can fix Netflix household problem. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching, and if this video help you, like and subscribe.